Ahoy there, mateys. Welcome aboard the SS Storytime with Captain Chris. Today we're setting sail with Penelope the Penguin, who dreams of becoming a painter. But there's a problem. Her paint supplies have been stolen by the notorious Paintbrush. Penelope Penguin wasn't your average bird. She didn't dream of catching fish or sliding on ice. Penelope dreamed of capturing the vibrant colors of the aurora australis in her paintings. One sunny day, Penelope excitedly packed her backpack with her most prized possessions, a colorful paint, brushes of all shapes and sizes, and a sparkling new sketchbook. She was ready to paint the mesmerizing sunrise over the icy landscape. But when she reached her favorite painting spot, Penelope's heart sank faster than a penguin on a rock slide. Her backpack lay open, her paints and brushes scattered around like colorful pebbles. A single black feather fluttered in the wind, the calling card of the dreaded paintbrush pirate. These weren't your typical pirates searching for gold. The paintbrush pirates were a mischievous group of seagulls known for stealing colorful objects and leaving a trail of black feathers in their wake. Determined to get her supplies back, Penelope set sail on an ice raft fashioned from a friendly iceberg. She followed a trail of black feathers across the vast ocean, the wind whipping through her feathers. Finally, she reached a rocky island, a rumored hideout of the paintbrush pirates. Mustering all her courage, Penelope waddled towards the cave entrance, a makeshift sword made from a popsicle stick clutched in her flipper. Inside the dimly lit cave, Penelope found the paintbrush pirates having a messy paint fight. Brushes dipped in every color imaginable flew through the air, leaving the cave walls covered in a chaotic explosion of color. The lead seagull, Captain Squawk, a feathery fellow with a mischievous glint in his eye, spotted Penelope. Well, he squawked. "Looky here, lads, a penguin with a popsicle stick. What brings you to our humble, colorful abode?" Penelope, ignoring the paint splatters dripping from her head, bravely explained the situation. "You stole my paints," she chirped. "I need them to paint." Captain Squawk burst into cackling laughter, which quickly turned into gasps when he saw the sad look on Penelope's face. The other seagulls, tired of the messy paint fight, looked at Penelope with sympathy. All right, Captain Squawk finally conceded. "We may be pirates, but we're not heartless pirates. Take your paints back, little penguin, but promise us you'll paint us a picture sometime. A real picture, not this cave mess we've created." Penelope beamed. She retrieved her paints, promising to paint a picture that captured the joy of using color. Back on her ice raft, Penelope sailed back home, the setting sun painting the sky in breathtaking hues of orange, pink, and purple. Penelope knew that her popsicle stick sword might not have been much, but her bravery and love for painting had won the day. And soon, the walls of the pirate's cave would be adorned with a beautiful painting, a reminder that even pirates could appreciate the magic of colors. We learned today that even the smallest of us can be brave and stand up for what's right. And who knows, maybe even the naughtiest pirates can find a love for art. So next time you have a dream, don't let anyone stop you from chasing your rainbow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high seas adventures with Penelope and her flippered friends.